Are you looking for driving school franchise in Nottingham with flexibility? Join a franchise with our driving school, growing quickly and gaining excellent repute locally in Nottingham. If you are Nottingham based and looking for a local driving school franchise, you have come to the right place. We provide complete support throughout the franchise process to help you manage and maintain your bookings. There is no hidden cost when you join our franchise. We have designed following franchise package, keeping in view the needs of everyone, especially after COVID-19 pandemic. These are advantages and benefits which you can expect from us if you join Lesson Plus Driving School franchise. No contract and no legal restriction. Affordable and fixed £40 weekly franchise fee. Supply of learners and fairly distribution to all instructors. 4 weeks notice required if leaving franchise. Learners pay you directly, not us. Control and manage your own diary. Be your own boss. Weekly franchise fee will be charged immediately after joining franchise. Free Android app to manage lessons. Local trainers, senior addies available for training on demand, charged separately. Covering complete Nottingham City. Animated videos available for social media marketing purpose on demand, charged separately. Customized graphics and banners available for marketing purpose on demand, charged separately. The cost of roof box will be charged and it will be the property of franchise holder. Digital pass certificate will be issued to all learners after passing, within 5 days of passing driving test. If you would like to find out more about franchise with Lesson Plus Driving School Nottingham, how our franchise works, please visit www.lessonplus.co.uk. Thanks for watching this video.